Hey everybody, we're here at IBS 2022. We're pretty excited. It's a huge event.
Yeah.
They're expecting 50,000 people. We're gonna go around, check out some of the rooms, talk to some of the other sponsors, hopefully get some clients on board and help them grow their business.
Yep. Register and kick things off. Stay tuned, guys. See ya.
So for those of you who track every walk-in traffic unit, keep your hands raised, high, because you're the only ones who can really do this. How many of you then also track appointments that occur based upon that traffic walking in the door? 2, 3.
Thank you for joining us. We come from Wireshark Media. We're a digital marketing agency. We're based in Miami. We're a Google partner, a Microsoft partner. We've been around for almost 10, 11 years, and working on the organic results has a huge impact on performance as well. Because if you're able to conquer the real state of the search engine, you're king. You can measure everything. If you have everything set up properly, if you have tracking set up properly, if you're actually connected everything there, you can measure every single click, where it's coming from. If one particular search engine generated a call, you can do that. You can listen to the call. You can see where a contact form is coming from. You can see where people are coming from.
We're here at IBS, KBS Today to just tell people about our story. We're a nonprofit that is actually a trade organization that serves safe water implementers all over the globe. We believe we have a strategy that we can win this global water crisis war, this war with water poverty. So we would encourage you to come on over and see us.